Hey you guys, and welcome to my channel. Now sometimes we can't go no contact. You know, there are circumstances and situations that we still have to interact with this toxic person or this narcissist. So I've created this video to give you 3 tips and tools to help you in leveraging, these interactions in a way that could be fruitful for you. Okay. Is there such thing as being fruitful at all with a narcissist? Actually, yeah. Is it going to be every day, all day? Oh no. Oh no. That's why you're going to take these 3 tips and tools and utilize them to your best ability. All right. All right. So how do you manipulate a narcissist? How do you get what you want from them? There's one really big thing that you can do to help you get that, or to increase the odds of the narcissist being able to get them to see things your way, actually. And can anyone guess what that is? Give you a moment to think. Use your emotional maturity to consider what that is. All right. All right. Well, time's up. What you will have to do, you guys, is appeal to their self-interest. Appeal to the narcissist's self-interest. So this will require you to have some type of idea of what that could be. Okay? You have to have some type of idea, you guys, of what that could be. All right, but we know that narcissists are self-focused. We know that they like to look like the hero and the big dog, numero uno. We know that they like their ego stroked. So if you try to get your needs met, or, whatever it is that you need for them to do, through appealing to their self-interest, that is going to be the smartest thing for you to do when you have to do something with a narcissist or have them do something. And this is going to be very helpful, especially for those of you who have to I'm not going to say co-parent, I'm going to say parallel parent with this narcissist. All right, let's say the child's birthday is coming up, and you don't want to have to be burdened with all of, not that it's a burden, but you don't want to have to carry all the weight of paying for everything. And the father is a narcissist or the mother is a narcissist. How could you appeal to their self-interest? You could say something like, oh, my family knows how well you take such good care of the kids. They're always raving about last year when you did this and that. And I know this year when you do this, they're going to be like blown away. Yeah. I'm like, wow, you're just like such a great father. And, such and such's birthday is coming up and they're so excited to get this surprise from you. Oh my gosh, you're like the best mother in the world, the best father in the world. And, the whole family is going to be able to see this. So they're going to, they're going to get that supply of that attaboy and being put on, oh my gosh, look at him, this for his birthday. Appealing to the narcissist's interest. Well, if you were willing to invest this, you would get back even more money. Not, oh, it's best for the business. Appeal to their self-interest. Well, you're actually going to end up getting more money back if you do it that way. Oh, I'm going to get more. Yeah, they're going to have to give to get more, but narcissists are used to giving crumbs to get what they feel like is something 1,000 times more back. So they know they have to give something. But if you make it feel like they're giving a little bit and then you get back so much, you know, it's their self-interest to get and not really earn it in a certain sense. So you need to appeal to their self-interest. Get into your emotional maturity. If you're having a hard time figuring out how you can get it that way with a narcissist, I do coaching, you guys. Tell me your situation. Tell me your situation, and I will help you get into the critical thinking of how we can get into their self-interest to get the cooperation. Okay? All right, so appeal to their self-interest is the best thing that you can do. All right, it's the best thing that you can do. Number 2, you're going to get in and get out. You're going to get in and get out. So after you've been able to appeal to their self-interest and you got what they want, get out of there. Get out of Dodge at that point. Get out of Dodge. All right? Because the more you stay around that energy, the more interactions you're going to have. Some offense is going to come with that somewhere. So you don't want to have to deal with that. All right? If you don't want to have to deal with that, learn how to not overstay your welcome. If you were able to just go ahead, because you should be gray rocking for the most part. And then when you have to come out of your shell to manipulate them to get something that you want, or to, you know, to appeal to their self-interest, to try to get things to be more smoother and cooperative, after you get it, get out of there. That's it. This ain't time for no small talk. Nothing else should be occurring after that. Give them their little bit of supply. Oh, thank you. Oh, that's great. That was fabulous. Thank you. Oh, you saved the day. Even if they didn't. Look. And then get out of there. Get out of there. Okay? So let's learn how to not stay overstay our welcome, if you will. All right? So number 3, guys, on my list here is only tell them stuff on a need-to-know basis. Now, if you're gray rocking already, you should be incorporating this. But a lot of people don't understand that is a part of gray rocking. It's only on a need-to-know basis, you guys. What do they need to know at that time is what you need to tell them. And it's also what they need not know at the time is what you need not tell them. You know, so look at this on both ends of the spectrum. Okay? And then, you know, we can omit, you know, this thing, like I said, what they need not know. We're omitting at that point. And then sometimes we can misinform them. You know, and they think you're on a certain this timeline and you're really on that timeline. And if they're making plans based off of what they're telling you because they think you're so gullible to just tell them everything, spit it all out so they could be waiting for you there at the door. So, you know, there you go. This could be the equivalent to, I'm not going to be ready to move for a few months. Really, you're going to be ready to move in a week. They're going to be pushing their little rebuttals or anything. They're going to think more long term. Oh, I got time for this. Boom, you blindsided them. You were able to move out peacefully because they weren't expecting it to be in a week. They were thinking months from now. So, you know, on a need-to-know basis, they didn't need to know that it was going to be this week because you needed it to be peaceful and quiet and tranquil, and you didn't want the rebuttals. You know, that's just one example. Okay, you guys? Look, that's called being clever. All right? So there you go. 3 ways. This is how you manipulate a narcissist. This is how you can increase the odds of getting something in your favor. All right? Number 1, you're going to appeal to their self-interest. Number 2, you're going to get in and get out. All right? After you've accomplished your goal, boom. We don't need to overkill. We don't need to overstay our welcome. We don't need to increase the odds of offenses or things starting to go down the hill because you stuck around for an hour too long at that point. Okay? And number 3, only tell them on a need to know basis and vice versa on a need not know basis. And then as needed, you may have to misinform them to make it safe for yourself. All right? So there you have it, you guys. Let me know what you think about this down in the description. Definitely hit that like button if it has helped you in some kind of way. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. Around 700 videos here to help you increase your emotional maturity. Take what you can to help you on your journey. All right. If you're struggling, if you need to, get help with your critical thinking, with your shadow work, with your healing from this toxic relationship or narcissistic abuse, you have no closure, you feel confused, you're stuck in a healing process, anything like that. You just have some goals that you're trying to work through in life. You're trying to figure yourself out, get in tune with yourself, all types of things, you guys. You can hire me for coaching. Visit my website, lakiacrawford.com, and we can get to the bottom of it. All right? We can get to the bottom of it. With that being said, thank you guys for all the love and support that you show the channel. Make sure that you're hitting that like button. That's a great way to support the channel. Leave comments. Don't be a wallflower around here. Come on. I have great subscribers who like, who comment, who share the content, who push this channel out because more people need to know about it. It's enough garbage out there. All right. Let me water these minds and uplift the vibrations as much as we can in this world. All right. Each one teach one. All right, you guys. Never give up on yourself. Continue to do the work. And until next time, please take care.